If you want to eject SIM tray on a Redmi A7 Pro in order to insert your SIM card, first of all we need to take a look at the left side of the phone, and then over here you should be able to find the SIM tray. It looks like this. Right next to the SIM tray we also have this small hole, and what you need to do is you need to use an eject tool that you can find inside the box, for example, and then we need to put it into this hole. So let's quickly do so. And once you put it in, you want to push it into the phone straight in without any angle whatsoever, without using any angles. And then once you push it in, the SIM tray is going to slightly pop out. So then you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. And this is how it looks like. As you can see, we have two SIM card slots and a memory card slot. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert our SIM cards. Over here we should also read ports, which SIM is SIM number 1, which one is SIM number 2. So over here we can see that this middle port over here, this slot, is the SIM 1. Here we have SIM 2 on the right side. So now we just need to match the shape of these slots. There we go, it goes in very easily. However, it's also pretty loose, so make sure to not drop your SIM in the meantime. There we go, I'm gonna insert both of the SIMs over here. There we go. I'm gonna also insert the memory card. So if you do have a memory card as well, you should be able to insert it quite easily. But as you can see, it's very, very loose. In my case, I can easily drop and lose the SIM, so make sure to not do that. And then we can carefully, there we go, we can carefully put it back into the phone once we are done. So just slide all the way in. If it doesn't want to go in, just make sure that all your SIMs are inserted carefully. And keep in mind that it should go all the way in. The SIM tray should slide all the way in back into the phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.